In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Restyle Something Went Wrong issue. If you're facing this problem, the first thing you want to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here type Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. After that, launch open Instagram and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is head over to your device's settings. Here, you want to scroll down and tap on Apps. A list of all the applications will appear. You want to scroll down and find Instagram. Select that. Now tap on Storage. Here, tap on the option of Clear Cache. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on Force Stop. Then tap on OK. After that, you want to tap on the option of permissions. Here, make sure that you have allowed every permission. So if there is anything you have not allowed, simply tap on that and then tap on the Allow option. After you have done all of that, restart your device, then launch open Instagram app, upload a story, and then tap on this pencil icon. Now the restyling option should work properly. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.